Hey guys, how's it going? It is Ben here from TuneUp Music Lessons and welcome to our new series, Modern Hits, where we're going to be looking at some of the latest releases and learning how to play them on guitar. So today we're looking at Sam Smith's Kids Again, which he released a few days ago, and it's played on an acoustic guitar and we're going to be strumming some chords. So let's have a look at what we're going to learn. So firstly, let's have a look at the verse. So I'm going to teach you how to play it exactly how it is in the original song, but if you do find it a little bit tricky, at the end of the section I'm going to show you an easier way to play it. So stick with it and hopefully you can find the version that works best for you. So the chords that we're going to need are a C major, a C major 7, an E minor, and an E minor 7. Okay, so they're the four chords that we're going to need for the verse. Now the strumming pattern that we're doing with our right hand is down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, I'm going to go over that a couple more times. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, now it's quite a tricky strumming pattern, so feel free to pause the video and practice that through a few times, because we're also going to be changing chords halfway through that strumming pattern, which is tricky again. So each rotation of the strumming pattern is going to contain 2 chords. So first time through, we're going to start on a C chord, and we're going to play down, down, up, down, and then we change to the C major 7. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, I'll go through that again. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, change, up, down. Okay. Then we move to the E minor, and the change to the E minor 7 is going to come at the exact same time as we change from C to C major 7. So E minor, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, change, up, down. Okay, so to put that together, part is changing in the middle of the strumming pattern to the new chords. Okay. So I mentioned before about an easier version. So if you do find those changes tricky, you can just play a C and an E minor and it won't sound too different to putting in those major and minor 7s. So if we just stick with a C chord for the first time through, and then change to the E minor. Sounds very similar, very close. So it's up to you. If you're looking to be really authentic and you feel you can get the changes to the C major 7 and the E minor 7, by all means go for that one. That's how the original track sounds. But if you are struggling a little bit with those changes, they're tricky, then you can just do the C to E minor. So moving on to the chorus, this is the bit that goes something like, do you even think about it? And so on. We've got a few new chords. We have an F major 7, which is this chord here. This is the full version. It sounds really nice and warm. It's got some nice bass notes in it. So if you can play this version, go for that. But there is an easier way of playing it, and that is this version here. So if you're struggling with this version, you are more than welcome to give this one a go, and it will sound absolutely fine. We have G major, also in the chorus. We have a C major, a C add 9 over B, sounds complicated, but it's not too bad, an A minor, and then back to a G major again. Okay. So the first two chords in the chorus, the F major 7 and the G major, we are going to play that same strumming pattern that we did in the verse for them. So F major 7, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Change to G, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so it's quite nice because we're not having to change in the middle of that strumming pattern in the chorus. So we have F major 7, G. Now for the rest of the chorus, the chords have a slightly different strumming pattern, and that strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, and then once we've played that strumming pattern through once, we're straight back into it again. So 2 rotations of that would sound like this: down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, and each time we move on to the next rotation, we change chords. So firstly we have a C chord. We're going to play down, down, up. Then we're going to change to our C add 9 over B. Down, down, up. Okay, so to put that together, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then we're going to go to our A minor, down, down, up, and then to G major, down, down, up. Okay, and that is one rotation through of the chorus. So we start off F major 7, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, G, down, up, down, down, up, down. Then we're on to C, down, down, up, C add 9 over B, A minor, G. Okay, now when you come to the end of the second rotation through, because we do that through twice in the chorus, after the G chord that we end on, we go back to an F major 7, we do the verse strumming pattern, and then we do a single strum of an F minor chord, and that is this chord here. Okay, it's a bar chord in its full form. So if you're comfortable with bar chords, play it this way if you can. If you're looking for an easier version, there's not that many out there really, unfortunately. You can do it this way here. Okay, just third finger to third fret on the D string, and first finger is barring the first frets on the G, B and the E string. But it's still quite tricky. You can maybe do it with your pinky instead of your third finger, if you prefer that. Or you can do it, it's a very small chord, but just bar 1, 1, 1, so the first frets on the G, B and the E string. You could actually play it like this if you really wanted to, with your 3 different fingers. And just make sure that you play 3 strings. Okay, so bar chord if you can. If not, this version. And if you're struggling with that one too, then go for that one there. Okay, and that is the chorus. So that's actually everything covered in this song. We're either doing the first chord sequence, which we play during the verses and the slide guitar solo at the end, or we're doing the second chord sequence, which we play in the chorus. If you do have any questions, please drop us a message or leave it in the comments. If you like the video, give it a like, and if you want more YouTube lessons, then subscribe to this channel. If you're after more one-to-one help playing guitar, we do offer video call lessons via Zoom and Skype. So if you want more information about those, please check out our website. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.